guys, I'm Akshi and today I'm going to draw something cute in this cute little diary. And guys, you know where I've purchased this notebook from my local store. Is that, and this color also cute as I like it very much, very fresh. And now I'm going to open this yellow color, and now I'm just something, or I'm going to just make background of yellow color. So guys, as you can see, this is very satisfying to show this yellow color while looking nice. It's really satisfying and it's very satisfying. But something happened after some time. It cannot deal with how I was deal with. It is very hard. I just not see. Because I love this diary. I seriously about that, and then after this I clean that with my fingers and just want to clean properly so that my cute lining becomes more clean, but it becomes really messed. I just hope it cannot be open. How can I just use a compass to open it, but I cannot. Okay, it's open, but something happened, and this two pages was pasted together and something happened like this. Then I recolored the entire page so that it should be looking clean afterwards, and I just clean all the color which I more, and I get this proper diary. Wow, it's looking gorgeous now. Cute little diary. Then just take some leaf. Wow, leaf is also good, looking shiny. Then I take this yellow color. See, it's also color of green, I will say only. So sometimes I just become nervous in the video, and just I add color to leaf, and I just do it properly so that it becomes good. And now I'm going to trace this on the paper so that impression of leaf on the paper comes out, and I just wanted to see how it looks, and then I close the diary and just open afterwards so that I get an impression of leaf on the paper. As you can see, it is not so good. Oh my god, it's not good, but now this time I hope it becomes a good version, because after a few minutes it becomes little drier than before. So this time it is now little bit good. Now this time I just take half of the leaf on the paper and just doing any time, anywhere. Just want to take some color from that first impression and just do it. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just like to draw. I don't know. Actually, this happens when I'm just free. Now I am very free, so that I'm just doing this very much. So guys, as you can see, I just trace all the paper, all the colors on the leaf, and then I just do what you see. I take pink, I take green, but I could not get what I want. I don't know. I think I just dip painter and just do. This time I guess. Yes, add color to the leaf. This is the leaf of red rose, which I just planted through a vegetative propagation, and I just cut the stem slightly 90 degrees so that it becomes very good. As you know, we have the plants, sometimes we just take stems, so I just take stem from my neighbor and just cut it slightly 90 degrees and just add to the my flower pot, and now it becomes very cute little flowers. And in this video I will show you how my plant works, and my rose plant, my aloe vera plant, and my all little flowers. I just like this, the green. I just love the green plants, and like I want to talk with the plants and others. I love to talk, and sometimes something happens, we don't have the friends, we just talk to plants, animals and their soul, and I just like this. Now I'm just back in the balcony, and you can see my rose. This is my plant which give oxygen very much. It is very good plant, and this is the very grasses vagera, and this is I don't know what is this, climbers plant. Now I'm going to add something so that it becomes very cool and great. Now I just take black color, and using a fine tip of paintbrush I am just use this and trying to write something. Yes, I am just writing enjoy every moment, but actually we just enjoy all the time, all the second, because we don't know what will be happen in the next few hours, few seconds, few days. We just enjoy the moment which we are in living. We just live in present, don't think about the past, don't think about the future. We just have the time to enjoy the present. As you can see, I am just not first time adding my voice to this video, and I'm a little bit nervous today, but afterwards maybe it will happen. I just say frequently, fluently. You can see I am from India, that's why my language was a little bit troubling, and this is why. But after some time it becomes very cool. You say this girl is very cute, these girls speak very fluently, and I don't know what will be happen afterwards. I just make some leaves here and just write in my cursive writing. You can see my calligraphy videos, they were very highly trending nowadays. I just take paintbrush, pan brushes, and just add to one another color and just write their names, and just all will love that. So if you want your name, please comment in that video your name, and I will write your name properly. And I'm just like very much. So guys, you can see how I am. And just write Akshi to the painting and write on which day I just made this, and this is how I am complete this. I just loved it. And in the balcony, in the backside area, I just want to see in the sunlight. It is very looking cute, shiny little diary, and just make a little cute video on that short. I just made short on that day, but this is the time how I am. I'm just like this. Okay guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, till then, bye. I hope you like the video. I'm just closing the diary. Okay guys, it's time to leave. Bye guys.